Do you love chess? Do you love Sudoku? Do you love brain teasers? Well, if you do, then you're going to love JesterChess. It's essentially the love child of chess and Sudoku. It's a one-player puzzle game. The objective is to have one piece left on the board. Every move has to be a kill move, and you start with traditional chess moves. So if you know how a rook, a bishop, and a knight moves, then you know how to start the game. If not, we have a tutorial to take you through it anyway. It gets really interesting when you can earn fantasy pieces as you move on through the levels. And the first thing that I would say that in terms of innovation, there is nothing in either App Store, in either Android or Apple, that is using what are technically called fairy pieces, but they're essentially new moves in chess. So here's a really simple example. I challenge one of the judges to be the first to say how to solve this problem. It's last man standing. That's the really simple one.
The knight to the rook.
Yeah. Exactly. So, it's very easy for us to make level after level after level and to ramp up the difficulty to keep you engaged. So the next level is just a very simple one again, but it's using similar two pieces. Anyone can see it? Yeah? Yeah, exactly. So the rook goes, yeah, there you go. And he's back in. So the time when it gets exciting is that we have lots of extra pieces that we can add in. Now, if we'd had time, we would have been able to give you a demonstration and tutorial that says the Jester, which the game is named after, goes like a knight, but instead of going 2 by 1, he goes 2 by 2. We also have a Lancer and an Admiral and lots of other pieces that go different combinations to keep the puzzle endlessly entertaining, endlessly engaging. And actually later on we can start doing some really funky stuff like having space walls and vortexes and lots of different ways to make the puzzle more and more complicated. So I would say it's very easy to learn, but it's impossible to ever end. So the Jester goes 2 by 2, 2 by 2, and then another example of how the Jester runs around is he goes 2 by 2, and then the knight takes him as well. So it's very simple, very short levels, easy to play, keeps you engaged, and you can get extra levels by paying, or you can get extra levels by socializing, so we've got marketing there as well.
Boom, boom, clack, yeah, I like that. Give the drummer some.